guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Irma. Today's video, we're going to be doing some quick breakfast here. I'm just going to chop up the zucchini that I got from the garden, chop up some tomatoes, cilantro, and some purple onion. Then I'm going to go ahead and fry it here in the pan and add some eggs and just scramble that up real quick. That's going to be our breakfast. The kids are now on summer vacation. This is our second week on summer vacation, so it's been so much enjoyable. We got a pool for the kids, so we've been spending most of the day over there at the pool. It still doesn't look all cute and fancy, but my whole plan is to go ahead and get that looking more appealing to the eye out there. But if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you guys already seen it, the way it looks like, so I have big hopes to design this whole space with that above ground pool. Nothing big, but it's still there and it's fun and enjoyable for the summer heat. After breakfast, we're going to go ahead and start getting the house cleaned up and ready for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and start here in my room. I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up the room, make the bed. It's been a couple hours since we have been out of the bed. And then here in this clip, you guys can see like my bed is so off-centered. And the reason why is because right behind the camera from this point of view is where our TV is at in the bedroom. So I went ahead and scooted it over this way. And then now that that corner over here behind me is just like a bare spot, I'm thinking I want to put a tree, like an olive tree, a real palm tree, something like that, or just, something cute over there. For now, I do have my treadmill and my cycling bike over here. So it's like practically my little gym exercise workout space. But I know in the Christmas, that's the place where I want to put my Christmas tree. So I have big hopes for that, to adding my Christmas tree there. I do have a new Christmas tree coming for our Christmas. This time I went big and bold this time. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and finish tidying up here in my room. I'm going to be vacuuming. My last vacuum I had in my hand, my cordless white vacuum broke, so I went ahead and ordered this one off of the Walmart app for under $100. I just love it. The suction on it is so strong. It's like a really good grip, and that's that we have like our carpets are like the office style carpets. But yeah, this vacuum 100% recommended. It's not sponsored or anything. I bought it with my own money. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and quickly vacuum. Then we're going to jump into the groceries room. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's a really short one, but I'm just sharing some here cleaning motivation and as a quick, speedy type of motivation just to get the house ready.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah.
So in my last video, I mentioned how I had moved Jayla's bed back into her room. So there was now 3 twin-size beds. I kind of feel like I want to get a set of twin-size bunk beds and have like Jill on the top one, my oldest daughter on the bottom one, and then just keep one of these individual beds for my mom. If you guys don't know, if you guys didn't see one of my last videos, I mentioned that my mom was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. She had surgery back in April. She's doing a whole lot more better, but she is now staying with us. I have turned into being my mom's caregiver. So she's living here with us. This is her walker. She does use it sometimes she doesn't. I've been a little bit quiet. Like the last 2 weeks, I've been posting 2 videos a week over here on my channel. But last week, we had to go to the ER with my mom like at 3 o'clock in the morning. Thank God everything is fine. And she is doing good right now. But we did just have like a little scare. So we were there and it just like threw me back. But once again, family and my mom's care and everything is more important than uploading a video. And I know you guys will 100% understand that. But yeah, I just went ahead and quickly made Jella's bed, fixed my mom's bed, and fixed all her shoes underneath the bed because our closet, the girls only have a small closet, so not a lot of stuff fit in there. I went ahead and vacuumed my daughter. She was going to make her bed. So once I walked out, she started making her bed. Then we're going to move into the hallway. I'm going to vacuum here real quickly and then just tidy up inside our laundry room.
You leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way.
Now over here in the dining room, there's not much to do, but I'm going to go ahead and quickly vacuum in this area. And then I'm just going to wipe off the coffee bar, because like my oldest, and whenever he does his coffee, he always ends up spilling either sugar or coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and just give this a really quick wiping, and then we're going to move into the kitchen.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be
My oldest daughter is in charge of doing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen. Of course, she won me on this day since I started from the back of the house. But the kitchen was pretty much clean. There was not much to do. I'm just going to go ahead and fix a couple of stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much all we're doing here in the kitchen. Then we're going to go ahead and move on into the dining room. Also, I'm also going to be vacuuming. I did need to mop, but I didn't get the chance to mop on this day. Just like time just flew by on me. But we are going to be vacuuming here in the kitchen, and then I'm going to go ahead and move into the living room. Just going to tidy up the pillows on the sofa in the living room, and I'm also going to be vacuuming, which the vacuuming part to the living room I did not share with you guys on camera.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
So this is pretty much all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you guys are one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you guys are a new subscriber or a new viewer over here, I love if you guys would go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we could be able to connect a little bit more and become friends here on the YouTube world. If you guys enjoy videos like this, once again, don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, God willing, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
When you were leaving, I need you